Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Dr. Ali Ahmad, and today we are going to discuss cover letters. Cover letters are written to preface attachments when you have to send some attachments to somebody. When you are writing a letter and includes some extra things, related works, related articles, or things, you will write a cover letter to preface those attachments. Cover letter also has three parts, which is body, introduction, body, and conclusion. In introduction, we write two things, as in previous letters we have seen that we write why we are writing and what we are writing about. For example, in response to your request is the reason of writing letter. Attached is the first quarter budget report, is the thing we are writing. Suppose we have to send a CV to apply for a job. We will write a cover letter when we are sending a CV. Uh, I have, for example, I have come to know from newspaper that there is a job opening in your organization. I offer my services for one post of admin assistant. Now the things that two things, what and why. What are you writing? You are writing letter to apply for a job. And why you are writing? You are writing, you have come to know from a newspaper that there is a job opening, and you uh, apply, you write a letter to apply for that job. In the body of the letter, you have to uh, specify things of special interest in the letter for the reader, and you have to itemize those things for ease of access. In the example, given example, like in response to your request, attached is the first quarter budget report. Of special interest, the attachment contains the following: rental car expenditure on page 2, machinery upgrades costs on page 5, and maintenance fees on page 7. It shows that the page numbers are given in the letter, and it shows that the ease for the reader will be there, as the reader will easily come to that page and will easily be reading the required thing. In CV, in a job application, when you are applying for a job, you will I have attached my CV here. I have following qualification relevant to the job. Now you will write grammatically parallel things. I have an MA degree in English. I have 5 years experience. I have ability to work under stress, and many more things that you think that your job provider should know when you are applying for a job. He or she should know from your very CV, very cover letter. You have to list those things here hmm, in the cover letter and in the body of the cover letter. And you may mention that of your special interest, my CV contains following, and then you can list them one by one. In the conclusion of cover letter, you once again will tell the follow up response, the response you need from your writer, and when you plan to find that response. Please review the budget report and give me the approval for go ahead. My deadline to secure the machinery upgrade costs is February 12th. So both things, what follow up is needed and when follow up is needed, are given in the conclusion of the letter. So in cover letters are written when we are sending some attachments, and in introduction we tell why we are writing and what we are writing about, and in discussion we itemize things which are of special interest for the readers, and in conclusion we tell what follow up is needed and when that follow up is needed.